Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back and supporting this channel, guys. I really appreciate it. So today, let's get to it. Today I am packing out some gift Christmas boxes that I will be sending away, and I want to show you how I do it and what I am putting inside of it. And these will be going to customers. So first I'm going to put this tissue paper to the bottom, because I am not really going to ship this away, but I'm going to make sure they're secure anyways. Someone coming to pick them up, and so I wanted to just make sure they're secure in here. When I give it to them, I want to make sure nothing broken or nothing smashed. So let's show you what I'm putting inside. I am putting right now a turmeric soap, and this is a massage oil, 2-ounce massage oil, and I'm putting it in this box. This is an Epsom salt with rose and essential oil. I don't think it's gonna open. It's have a lining, guys, so I'm not going to open it. And Epsom salt is wonderful to take a bath. And Epsom salt, I have a video out, you can go check it out, about Epsom salt and the wonderful benefit that Epsom salt have. This is also another massage oil. As you can see, I'm making sure I secure it so they're not rolling, because this box is a little bit big. But because she wanted to, this customer want the box to be a Christmas box. Normally I don't really send these things out in Christmas box. It's almost like a normal box, so not Christmas box, but she asked me if I could put them into this box, and so just cover it, and that one is done. So I'll show you how I'm going to do this bigger one. So first I'm making sure I secure the bottom. And this person is also coming to pick this one up. I mean, I don't really have to make these boxes like this, but because people are coming to pick them up, and I just decide to put them in these boxes here. So this is a massage oil as well, and this one is it's rose petal oil. Just give it a good shake sometime, and it's of all these wonderful oils in it for your face. Just 2 drops in your hand and apply to your face. And there we have allergy oil as well. This is a body scrub. So nice, guys. I'm actually using all these body scrub that I make. And this is a face cream. So you can see this box is like packed, but I'm making sure nothing rolled away. So as you can see, I am like pushing them so nothing rolled away. And all you need to do is just secure them. And then you put some tissue on top of it and then top it off with the cover. Oh, where's my cover? Alright, I think I need to go find it. I think it's somewhere on the table, guys. And you can see I packed these two away. Thanks for watching. So I'm just showing you the box that I just did. Let me show you another box that I did before. So as you can see, this I only have 3 items in it. I think I'm going to show you again a different one. So here we have a massage oil, an infused one, and then we have ear serum and a bug repellent rub. So here we are, I'm showing you the one before. Just going over guys. So here we have a Tiffany peppermint foot cream, and then we have a massage oil here and a candle. Thanks everyone for watching. Take care and stay tuned for the other video.